Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I am going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. Notepad++ is a powerful and free source code editor that supports several programming languages. So let's get started. First, we need to download Notepad++. Open your web browser and go to the official Notepad++ website. The URL is notepad++.org. Once you are on the home page, click on the Download tab at the top. Here you will see the latest version Notepad++. Click on the download button next to the latest release. After the download is complete, open the install file from your download folder. You might see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Will open. The Notepad++ setup wizard will open. Click next to begin the installation process. Read through the license agreement and click I agree. Choose the installation location. By default, it will install in the program file folder. Click next to the continue. Select the components you want to install. You can leave the default setting as they are. Click next. Choose the start menu folder, then click install. Once the installation is complete, make sure the Run Notepad++ option is checked. Then click Finish. Notepad++ will open for the first time. You can start using it to write and edit your code. Select language. File, save. And that's it. You have successfully installed Notepad++ on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.